Plant FAQs. Hoya Heuschkeliana Variegata. Hoya Heuschkeliana Variegata, a collector's guide. Hi, Furbu here. Today, we're diving into the world of the Hoya Heuschkeliana Variegata, a stunning variegated vine that's become a favorite among houseplant enthusiasts. This beauty boasts not only gorgeous foliage but also fragrant blooms, making it a true standout. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious newcomer, this guide will equip you with everything you need to know about caring for your Hoya Heuschkeliana Variegata. See more 566 species and genus Hoya at monsterholic.com. What is Hoya Heuschkeliana Variegata? The Hoya Heuschkeliana Variegata is a member of the Apocynaceae family, native to Southeast Asia. This tropical vine is prized for its unique leaves. Unlike its plain green counterpart, the Hoya Heuschkeliana Variegata boasts a mesmerizing combination of creamy yellow variegation along green margins. New leaves often emerge with a pinkish-red hue, adding another layer of visual interest. Light and location. Finding the sweet spot. Hoya Heuschkeliana Variegata thrives in bright, indirect light. Think dappled sunlight filtering through a sheer curtain. Harsh, direct sunlight can scorch the delicate leaves, so avoid south-facing windows. East or west-facing windows with some shade are ideal. Tip: rotate your Hoya Heuschkeliana Variegata occasionally to ensure even growth. Watering wisely. Finding the balance. Hoyas are known for their succulent-like leaves, which store water. This means they prefer to dry out slightly between waterings. Overwatering is a common enemy, leading to root rot. Here's a simple trick. Stick your finger into the potting mix. If the top-inch feels dry, it's watering time. Water deeply until water runs out the drainage holes, then discard any excess water that collects in the saucer. Tip: during winter months, when growth slows, water even less frequently. Temperature and humidity, creating a tropical oasis. The Hoya Heuschkeliana Variegata enjoys warm temperatures, ideally between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing it to sudden drops in temperature. Humidity is another key factor. Ideally, aim for 50 to 60% humidity. Grouping your Hoya with other humidity-loving plants or using a pebble tray filled with water can help create a more humid microclimate. Tip: consider using a humidifier, especially during dry winter months. Soil and potting, setting the stage for success. A well-draining potting mix is crucial for your Hoya Heuschkeliana Variegata. A good option is a mixture of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark. This combination provides both good drainage and aeration, allowing the roots to breathe and preventing waterlogging. Choose a pot with drainage holes. A pot slightly larger than the root ball is ideal, allowing for future growth without excess soil that can stay wet for too long. Tip: repot your Hoya Heuschkeliana Variegata every 1 to 2 years or when the roots outgrow the pot. Feeding your Hoya, a light touch. Hoyas are not heavy feeders. A balanced, diluted liquid fertilizer applied during the growing season, spring and summer, is sufficient. Once a month or even less is plenty. Avoid over-fertilizing, which can damage the roots and hinder growth. Tip: during winter, you can stop fertilizing altogether. Blooming beauty, witnessing the magic. With proper care, your Hoya Heuschkeliana Variegata may reward you with stunning blooms throughout the year. The flowers are small, bell-shaped, and come in a dark pink or plum color. They often emit a sweet, caramel-like fragrance, adding another delightful dimension to this houseplant. Tip: be patient. It can take a mature Hoya Heuschkeliana Variegata a year or 2 to bloom for the first time. Common pests and problems. Keeping your Hoya healthy. While generally pest-resistant, Hoyas can occasionally be susceptible to mealybugs and scale. Regularly inspect your plant and treat any infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Tip: maintaining good air circulation around your Hoya can help prevent pest problems. Comparison corner. Hoya Heuschkeliana versus Hoya Heuschkeliana Variegata. The main difference between the Hoya Heuschkeliana and the Hoya Heuschkeliana Variegata lies in their foliage. The regular Hoya Heuschkeliana boasts solid green leaves, while the Variegata variety features stunning creamy yellow variegation along green margins. In terms of care, both varieties have similar needs. However, the Hoya Heuschkeliana Variegata might require slightly more light due to the variegated leaves having less chlorophyll for photosynthesis. Additionally, some growers find the variegated version can be a bit slower growing compared to its green counterpart. This is because the plant needs to dedicate some resources to producing the variegation patterns. Ultimately, the choice between the two comes down to personal preference. The classic green Hoya Heuschkeliana offers a timeless elegance, while the Variegata variety steals the show with its captivating foliage.